Hey guys, Shotgun Rain 58 along with Super Mango 04 again at the camera, and we will be reviewing the Well MR733 from AirsoftMegastore.com, which is a spring airsoft rifle, which is pretty much the M16. So overall, this gun, first of all, is plastic, so it's really light, and the durability / quality is not going to be the greatest, except the barrel, the inside of the barrel, which is metal, which improves the accuracy, and the spring, obviously. So, first, we'll start with the sling. You get the sling in the package that I bought, which was about 30 bucks. It's an okay sling. It did unhook once, which dropped the gun, which was okay. The gun was okay. But it's not the greatest quality. I have seen better. So next you have the adjustable stock, which can detach from the gun, so easier travel. Just put that in there and you're set. Alright, so next we have the handle, which is pretty comfortable. The grip is not irritating, unlike other airsoft pistols that come to mind. It also has the safety, which is what is on now. It also has a semi and the auto, which is the exact same thing because it's a spring airsoft rifle. So obviously there's neither of them actually. It should be one shot reload, which is what it is. Okay, so you got your cocking mechanism here, which you just pull back and you'll click and then you shoot. Pretty basic. So you got your clip here, which you undo right here. Press that, and basically it's a nice clip. It's fully plastic except for the spring, obviously, and it's you load the BBs in here, which is about 100. It can store about 100, and you bring this down and you shake it, and then the BBs will go into the chamber, which the spring pushes up into the gun as we're firing it. So it's an okay clip. It's pretty nice quality for the gun that it comes with. And so next, the sights. They are iron sights, so they're pretty good accuracy. You have these two interchangeable sights that one is lower to provide more accuracy and one is higher. I use the higher one because I can't see the lower one. I don't know what they're thinking, but you can't see this down here. You can only see the barrel. It doesn't exactly, the handle doesn't exactly help you at all because you can't see out of it. And so down here you have the rails, which you can put the handle, which I have on here. That comes with it. And you also have one right here, which you can put a flashlight, which also comes with it. It's right here. You can put it on there. And up here you have a rail system, and up here and that you can put a red dot sight, which ran out of battery for me because when I was storing it, I accidentally left it on. But basically, you look down here and you'll see a red cross. It also comes with a screwdriver for adjusting these. And, well, it comes with BBs, but it comes with like probably 25 BBs, and they're not very good quality. So I bought these. It's about $7, 0.20, which is what you should probably have. No heavier. Because it will reduce the accuracy and also the range. And no lighter, obviously. Can't use 0.12 grams be in this one. And overall, this gun has really good power for this cheap of a gun. It has, I don't know, it probably has a range of about, let's say 150 feet, and I've picked off people from pretty far away. so it's got pretty good accuracy as well. So I'm going to give power a 9 because if you listen, when you cock it, it's pretty loud. So it's going to produce a pretty good sound when you shoot it. So power 9. Accuracy, I'm going to give a 9.5 because it's really accurate for this cheap of a gun. Actually, I was pretty impressed with it. It shoots straight most of the time, except for when the wind takes the BBs, which isn't exactly the gun's fault. Durability, however, I'm going to give an 8 because if you look here, the spring is sticking out of it, and this came with the gun. So it's not the best quality. And it also has some dings and nicks all around it just from getting dropped while I was playing. So overall, I'm going to give this gun a 9 out of 10. Just because the quality / durability isn't the greatest, but the accuracy and power make up for it. So this was a review of the Well MR733, which is pretty much the M16. From airsoftmegastore.com for $30, not including shipping, and Shotgun Rain 58, along with Super Mango 04. Signing out.